Sam, have you ever seen this before? It's called dominoes, right? And we're going to play a game with these dominoes. You know, these dominoes were used for gamblings, and we normally play them like this. We put one on the other, face to face, and then we show them the result. But today we're going to play something different, okay? And we put the 6 on the 2 and the 6 on the 2, and just to confirm again, a 6 on the 2, right?
Yeah.
So if I have a 6 here, what is this?
2.
It's a 2. Watch. The game is called concentrate. You didn't concentrate. So it gave me the chance to replace them. It's 2 and 2, right?
Yeah.
So for this game, you're going to concentrate. What is this? It's a 6 and 2.
Yeah.
And what is this?
And 2.
6 and 2, right? Okay, so we can put 2 and 2 together or 6 and 6 together, but it's too simple for this game, okay? So we put them together, put these two together. Okay. It's 6 and 2, right?
Yeah.
Put your finger on it. Watch. Again.
What?
I just changed it. Impossible, right?
Is it?
But what's more impossible is, let's just take 2 dominoes away. We don't use them. I will just use these 2 dominoes, 6 and 2, right? And watch carefully. I take the 2 away and put it in my pocket. Mm-hmm. What's left?
6.
No, you didn't concentrate. It's 2. It's 2. 6 is in my pocket. So, for one last time, okay, 2 and 6.
Yeah.
Give me your hand. Put them into your hand. Just one last check.
Okay.
I take 1 away. Okay, this time I just take, what's this? It's a 2.
2.
But I'm going to put this 2 into this bag, okay? And just close it. No way to change it. Put it here and let's take all the other dominoes away.
Okay.
Okay, watch. Did you feel anything?
No.
No? Show your hand. What's inside? It's
8.
not a 6.
8.
It's an 8. But what's inside this bag? Okay, the 2 is gone. The 2 is here. Weird. I never lose.